So can you still make money on YouTube by using meditation video? Are you able to still make money and get a play button just by using meditation video, as we've been seeing? A lot of video on YouTube been saying, hey, you could make money on YouTube by just uploading meditation video. But the question is, are they still monetizable at the time that I'm making this video? So if you're new to this channel, my name is Freud. I've built multiple faces YouTube channel, or some people like to call them YouTube automation channel. Some people like to call them cash cow on this channel. I run multiple of these channels on YouTube and I make over 6-figure on them personally, and I have a private community Facebook group where I teach people how to do this, help them get result. I'm trying to build them to make over 6 figures, that's their goal, or even 7 figures if that's their goal. So if you want to see more videos similar to that, which is why the YouTube channel is also for, so be sure to hit the like button, be sure to subscribe also, because I make a lot of videos talking about how to make money on YouTube without actually showing your face, leveraging faceless channels. And now in today's video specifically, we're going to be talking about, can you actually monetize meditation videos? So are they still monetizable? Now I've seen a lot of channels that are getting demonetized, so as you guys probably are aware of, but I've also seen channels that are still monetized. So I want to go in detail today about that and saying, is it still monetizable? Is it something that is safe to be able to get into? Is it something that is safe for you able to start a channel into? Because a lot of people want to start a channel in the meditation niche because it's the easiest niche to actually get into. It's super easy to create the video. I can create a video in under probably 10 minutes. So that's why a lot of people are trying to get into it. So without further ado, let's get into the video and talk about, is it really safe for you to actually start a meditation channel? Alright, so to start it off, I want to start with this article right here. So repetition content is how YouTube classify content that is very similar to other available in your channel. So that usually make it hard to find different going from one video to another. This policy violation can lead to channel demonetization as well as termination. So it is very important to focus on unique and quality content. Now think about the meditation niche. Most meditation channel, I'm not gonna say it's the same music, of course it's not the same music, but most of the time when people have the same strategy of where they get music. Some people get it from YouTube library, some people get it from free music website where they can actually get the music, or some people pay for subscription. Now the thing about it is, most people are doing the exact same thing that you're doing. Now the reason that a lot of meditation channel are getting demonetized is because all that they do is basically they have one music and they just loop that music for around 8 hours. Like some of those channels do 11 hours, and sometimes even an hour or even longer, 17 hours like this one, and they just change the background images now and then, few and then, but some of them just keep the same background image and they just loop that over for an hour, which is why even though the video is 11 hours long, it's super easy to be able to do because it's a simple looping the video and looping the visual that the people are seeing. Now YouTube is seeing that as repetitive content because a lot of time the music using, it's not really rare that another channel is using the same music. So when you're repeating that music, the meditation, the relaxing music, there's a high chance that there's another meditation channel that's gonna do the same thing. And YouTube, somehow their algorithm or any sort, I don't know how they do it. Sometimes I've heard this article where someone who even work at YouTube, they don't even understand fully the algorithm because it's just so random sometimes, but they're able to actually pick it up where they see matching in that music and this music and how it's looping. So when YouTube see that, a lot of time that causes some channels to get demonetized, and of course it's super simple. Now I want to talk about, personally, it's not 100% safe in my opinion. Just get that out of the way, it's not 100% safe. I've had people that start meditation channel that got monetized, that buy monetized channel and start meditation, and that channel get demonetized. So it's not 100% safe. It's like a 50% chance where some people goes in and they succeed, their channel get passed, and of course there's some people that will get passed away with actually doing something that YouTube doesn't like, because it's not every single little channel that YouTube track down on. There's some that get away with it because there's thousands, millions of channels, but few of them actually get caught and they get demonetized. So it's not 100% safe. Now the point of this video is actually to help you guys that are in the meditation niche to actually help you, okay, how can we make the channel in a way where we actually won't get demonetized? So that's why I want to talk about in this video, to be able to help you guys out, so that once you start a meditation channel, once you have a meditation channel going, you chance of getting demonetized lessen. So you have a lesser chance of getting demonetized than other people that are in the meditation niche. Now the way to do this is your content have to be shown to YouTube as unique and original, which is what YouTube want. They want original content. They don't like people that are sharing content, which is why you cannot just monetize compilation where you just take other people's video and just re-uploading them without any sort of originality putting into that video. So how could you do that? Now, some of the video which I highly recommend to some people is you put a mixture of different music, at least 10 different music. Even if you're gonna loop it, don't put one music, put a mixture of different music. Now, the thing about relaxing music is that most of them sound about similar, but the YouTube will pick it up when it's similar. But most of them sound about similar. So you can have around 20 or 10 different music, and some people will be watching a video, relaxing to a video, they won't even notice that the music changed because they're kind of sound similar. It's simply a relaxing music. Sometimes they have guitar in the background, sometimes it's a harp, but sometimes it's just like a wave noise that is happening, so which make it a little bit similar. But of course the waves sometimes have different frequency. So basically is you want to add multiple different type of music and not just one or two or three. I highly recommend you go over 5 or even to 10 or even more if you can find. So 5 to 10 is like the sweet spot. And of course keep different stock footage or whatever you're going to be using, stock footage or videos, pictures in your background, so it kind of make it varies. And one more thing that really help is having some sort of an intro, even if it's something simple, some sort of an intro. And the intro doesn't have to be you showing your face, but having some sort of an intro where you just get an intro created that have some sort of animation with your logo, for whatever your channel logo is at. So having some sort of an intro helps to create that originality. Because sometimes when YouTube check, they actually check your video. Sometimes they actually really, a human actually check your video. So having that intro really kind of help out to actually get past that. And another way for someone to actually, 100% for you to not get demonetized with this, is YouTube likes seeing video with voiceover. That's why a lot of the video, they consider them original because they have some voiceover. Even if a video is not, that's why you guys see a lot of those reacting video. I'm pretty sure everyone sees reacting videos on YouTube. Some people react to music videos. Some people react to random films and they still get monetized because it's original, because they're reacting to someone else's clip. And having a voiceover over your meditation videos, and a lot of time you don't have to do them in every video, but now and then have a couple of videos where you put them in between, where you have some sort of a guided meditation. And of course it doesn't have to be too long. You could do a 15-minute guided meditation. You can pay someone on Fiverr or Upwork like $10, $15 to repeat a guided meditation that you can find on Google, and just loop it for like an hour or 40 minutes. Now you have some sort of originality voiceover, which make your channel seem even more legit, more original, because it's as you, the person, actually commenting over the pictures and the audio. So it's not completely just, hey, I'm just getting pictures from this website. Hey, I'm just getting audio from this website and I'm just putting them together, and yeah, boom, boom, monetize me, pay me. So having that sort of voiceover to make it seem a little bit original really help YouTube to actually say, hey, this is actually an original channel, let's not demonetize it. So my full opinion on the meditation is, yeah, you're able to make a lot of money from it. For example, if we look at the social blade for this channel, they're getting over 25 million. There's a lot of people that watch this video. I used to watch this video myself just to put them in the background of my TV and so I can fall asleep. So 25 million people, and they're making easily over probably 50K or even more with those channel, since this channel is actually monetized with the channel. And just by uploading sample video, and of course they put some creativity in their video, which really helped with the background images and everything. So yes, it's a profitable and easy niche to get into, and it's really, there's a huge audience for it. Like this channel is easily getting close to 1 million views per day, so they're making $1,000 a month, a million with this channel. So obviously it's a profitable niche to get into, and honestly, in my honest opinion, it's not 100% safe to get into. But applying the tactic, applying what I've actually said in the video will actually really help you out to lessen your chance of actually getting demonetized. Now, how am I talking about this? Why am I talking about this? How am I a reliable source to actually rely on? It's because I run channel myself, and I've worked with hundreds of different students where I actually help to start YouTube channel, fix this YouTube channel, start making money to get a play button. So I know what I'm talking about, and I work with people that actually build YouTube channels and actually sell them, monetize them for people, which actually give me the knowledge for me to actually make this video today. So to help you guys out, I hope this really helped you guys out. This really helped those of you that are in the meditation niche. Now, if you want to see more video on how to make money on YouTube, different niches you can start off, you can just subscribe to this channel. There's more video on this channel where I've actually show this, go over different niches step by step, sometimes tutorials on how to actually even create your own videos for your channels. And of course, I have a free Facebook group, link in the description. You guys can join that group completely free. On a daily basis, we share free tips, result of people actually making money on YouTube with different niches. So be sure to join that Facebook group. And of course, I have another free training you guys can join if you want to learn more step by step to get a cheat sheet checklist. Also, literally do this check of how to make money on YouTube, step by step guiding you hand by hand. You guys can check out that free training. It's completely for free. I do have a paid program, a paid coaching, but I don't really recruit people like that because I take time to actually work with people one-on-one. But sometimes people go to the free training, they actually qualify for that. So you might be qualified for that, and of course you might get into my paid coaching. But usually everything is for free. Usually people get into my paid coaching after they start making money. So you guys can check all of those out there for free. The Facebook group is in the link in the description. The free training is in the link in the description. And of course you guys can check out this next video that will be showing up, popping off right there. For more information, for more detail on different niches, how you can make money on YouTube without actually showing your face or even recording a video. So you guys can check out that video above. It will be right next to me. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.